Okay, we're back to our ones, tens, and hundreds model. So when we construct our ones, tens, and hundreds, we're going to make sure that our ones is on this side and our hundreds is on this side. So let's say we're trying to construct the number 32. So when we do that, we can build it and say, okay, well, we have 2 in the ones. What does 30 mean? Well, we can count them out, and then as we count them out, once we get a 10, we transfer it over here. So if we're doing 32 with the kids, we can count out, and there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now that we have 10, this can only have 9, and this digit can only be up to 9. So we have 10, so we make a bundle of 10. So here's a bundle already made, and we have one bundle and it goes in the tens place. So now we just have 10, but we need 32, so we can go through the same thing again, making another bundle of 10, and then having another bundle of 10, making it again, go up to 9, and then when you get 10, you have a bundle. So now you have 3 tens, and we also need 2 more 2 ones. So we put these in here. So it's very important that we have the same item throughout so that they can see the individual ones within the 10. Okay, let's try and make another number. This one was 32. Let's make 27. So that 20 is going to have here, and then 20 plus 7. This is expanded notation where you break it up. So we can see what we have. We have 2 tens. We have our 20 here. And then we need 7 ones. So we count those out. That's 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we're showing the number 27. But now we put it together, 20 plus 7, we have a 2 in the tens column and a 7 in the ones column. So that's how we're going to show kids the meaning of place value, is having them try it out. So what do we do when we want to get to the hundreds? Well, if we take our tens, let's empty out our ones, empty out our tens. We go through the same process, get 9 plus 1 more, get a 10. So then we have 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And the whole time we're using these as we go to show what we have. 80, 90, okay. So we have 90 because we have 9 tens and we have 0 ones. So let's say we have 9 ones and 9 tens, so we'll count that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 ones and we have 9 tens. What happens? This is what we need to really focus on with the kids. What happens when we get one more? All right, if we get one more, well, that is going to be a 10. So trying that. And once we have another 10, now we have 10 tens. So 10 tens, that means we put this whole thing together and we make a bundle. So now we've got 10 tens, we've got this huge bundle, and we have 100, and I put it in our hundreds column. So now we have 100, 0, 100, 0 tens, and 0 ones. So if we wanted to make other numbers, we could. So here we have 100. We have 100, 0 tens, and 0 ones. Now let's say we wanted to make 101. We would have the kids do that. What does that mean? And it means we have 100, we have 0 tens, and we have 1 over here. So we give them these numbers and we have them make them. So what's the difference between 101 and 110? Well, we don't have any ones. We have 100 and we have 110 and we have 0 ones. What about this? Now what do we have? Well, we have 100, we have 110, and we have 1. So we put in here like this. So what you can do with this model is you can have the number and then have them create it with the models so they can see the place value. And this is very helpful when they're learning the meaning of the digits within their place and their value within their place. So if I wanted to trade this out and make a different number, I could start all over with a different number. This way the kids are counting and they're learning about the values of each number. Let's say I wanted to make 53. Well, I know that this is the ones column and this is in the tens column. This is 50 plus 3. So I'll get 5 bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bundles to be the 50. And then I'll get 3 for the ones. So I'm showing 53 and then I put the 3 right here. And this is the way we write the number 53. Give them lots of practice with this. Let's say I wanted to subtract. Now I want to take away, let's say I wanted to take away 1. Well, if I took away 1 here, minus 1, then I took away 1 here. What would happen if I took away a 10? Okay, I still have 2 here. I won't have 50 anymore. I took a 110 away. And now I have 40. So I have 42. So adding, subtracting, bundling, and unbundling. Let's say I wanted to take away 6. Oh, I only have 2. I want to take away 6, I might have to unbundle 1. So that means I'm not going to have I'm not going to have 4 bundles. I'm only going to have 3 bundles. I have to find my 3 piece. So instead of having 4 bundles, I only have 3 bundles left. But then I have a bundle here. So I'm gonna undo my bundle of 10. And then I'm going to put that bundle here with the ones. 10 plus 2, and then I'm going to subtract 6 minus 6, and then I have 6 left, so I have 36. So 42 minus 6 is 36, but I'm showing it every time I do it.